Every year on February 30th, this Chinese delicacy can be found in the wild. To prepare the orange chicken, you want to separate the orange from the chicken. Next, you want to take your chicken and cut it into quarter-sized pieces. I always keep a quarter handy, that way I make sure I get the right size chicken. When you're finished, just compare the quarter to the chicken, and it looks good. Add your big chicken, your baby chicken, soy sauce, salt, pepperardo, and go ahead and mix it with a fork. Perfect. Dab your chicken in cornstarch. Put the chicken pieces on an air fryer rack. Next, we're gonna apply some sunscreen. Give it to Big Betty. Some orange juice, some soda, spoonful of rice vinegar, soy sauce, red pepper flakes, healthy sugar, ginger zest. Don't zest your fingers. Go ahead and mince up some garlic. I like it finer, so I'm gonna run the mincer by it a couple times. Add it to the sauce. Karen, mix a lardo. Make some cornstarch sauce. Make your sauce not so angry. Mix a lardo. It should look like brownies. Grab your crispalized chicken. Nice. And put it on a plate. Add your sauce. And I forgot to put this in the sauce, so we're just gonna go and zest an orange and just throw it on top. Perfect.
Done. Taste test. That's pretty good. Orange chicken.